Before we got to work around the farm, we took advantage of the break in weather and got out as a family to walk the land. Shed hunting really isn't about the size of the antlers. It's more about slowing down, being present, and seeing what winter has left behind.
Yep.
It gives us a reason to explore the spots we haven't been into in months, take inventory
Turnip.
of how the land has changed throughout the
Turnip.
season,
Mama, turn
and look at areas we normally wouldn't. The kids get excited just to be out moving, looking for signs, and spending time outside. And honestly, so do we. Finding an antler is just a bonus. What really matters is time together, fresh air, and staying connected to the rhythms of the land.
Nice find.
You found them. So,
Say cheese. You can hold on to them. You gonna say cheese? Ready?
where a marker and blue tape?
Over there.
Where? Like, where is it? Where are the seeds here?
Starting the seeds today. It's March 30th. A couple weeks behind, but we're starting seeds today. What are we planting, Charlie?
Celery.
Celery. What about salad?
Salad.
What's your favorite?
Salad and celery.
What are you planting? What did you just write?
And
Sound it
the
out.
carrots. C-I-N-O-K-A-T-E.
Kale.
Kale.
K-A-L-E. Okay. All right. So we got about 72 kale plants started. A lot of this is eating, but a lot of this we're going to feed out to the animals, chickens, pigs, etc. So we're going to do most of our salad stuff today. So kale, salad, mix.
That's good.
We ordered from Hudson Valley Seed Company this year, local to us, and we're gonna give them a shot.
I'm gonna plant carrots too.
Bumblebee cherry tomatoes. Some edible flowers. We're gonna do borage. This stuff spreads pretty good for us. It's an annual, but it comes back every year. Lemon mint bergamot. What's that one? Upside down. Broccoli. This is our favorite one. It's an Italian broccoli. Some scallions. Chinese cabbage. Kimchi. Your head, buddy. You're in the way. Some pepperoncinis.
Good.
Shishito peppers, our favorite. What do you have? Crispini lettuce. Broccoli rabe. This is our rainbow kale. Hang on, slow down. That's the dino kale we just did. Another variety of lettuce called Ithaca lettuce. North Pole lettuce. This is a cold hardy lettuce, so we'll get that out here next week or so after it's hardened off. And that's our rainbow chard. So the potting mix we've been using the past couple of years, and it's worked really great for us, is the Coast of Maine Organics. The Fox Farm was pretty good, but we found that this has a better nutrient profile. For probably a month or so, we don't have to up pot if they're smaller and then big enough seed trays.
Try, you can do this one right now, right here. Okay.
That's right. Yep. We'll do one in each bucket. There's 6 buckets. Yep. One in that bucket, one in that bucket, one in that bucket. So this one's done.
Okay.
R D.
These are in my name.
Ch. hard. That's right. O-M.
I don't need gloves.
I do.
Check in the laundry.
A.
If they're not, because I
T.
think Charlie
O.
isn't. It's up top, I think, on the where the shoes thing.
That's it. Tomato. Very small seeds. Be careful. Nope, nope. This one, Charlie.
Probably do one at a time.
She's fine.
You can do another seed there.
No.
Well, I like these peppers. You can do another seed there.
Wait.
But no. Sure. Alright.
You're gonna have a lot of pepper. So if you like them, you get them.
Okay, let me write the kind and then you write last. Okay, and right here. This one. Yep. Extra Cheetos.
Good.
And this is your pepper.
Not this row. This row. I would stand right here because it's little. Yep. Okay, good job. Alright, now B-R-O.
Okay. Did I do this one? I don't know, but I'll just put it in.
Alright, hold on, Charlie. Ready? Got another one for you. B-R-O-C. Just write B, period. You know what a period is? And R. Okay, this tray's all done. Okay. Do you want to label whatever we just did?
Daddy! Whoa, Daddy! Fill up more! Fill up more! I'm actually glad that caught. But Daddy!
Okay, so we just got a pretty good amount of rain overnight and then earlier this morning. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my compost pile that I have started up with a bunch of wood chips and some other carbon. I'm going to go ahead and turn that over. I did it last week. I think it was last Monday. I'm going to go ahead and turn it this week. It's supposed to be decent temps, so hopefully it starts breaking down again.
be our pig port is pulling double duty now, serving as a shelter for the tractor. It's nothing fancy, but it keeps the weather off the equipment and makes use of the space while it's not housing animals. We try to get the most out of everything that we build. If it can serve more than one purpose, even better. That's what today was all about, using what we've got, paying attention to the land, and doing the small things that add up to something bigger. Thanks for coming along with us, and we'll see you on the next one.